What's going on YouTube? It's Ace's Takes here, doing a little Monday unboxing. Have myself some champagne because it's Monday and why not? Thanks for coming to my channel where we talk about all the things. Today we're doing an unboxing for the EDC family. We're doing a knife. Grab yourself something delicious and let's get into it. That hits the spot. Hits the spot. We are using a Medford USMC for the unboxing because we're unboxing a Medford. My husband has been looking for this knife for a while, and we finally decided, y'all know, he was on Ban Island and wasn't allowed to purchase anything at the end of the year. Not true, he did buy some things, but we knew that this was going to be one of the first things that was purchased in January, and here it is. People, I feel as if they have a love-hate relationship with Medford knives, and I don't know if it's because of Greg Medford. I think he's hilarious. He is maybe a little bit polarizing. His knives are very recognizable, but I think it's great. Let's see. Open this up. We ordered this from eKnives. And they were actually very helpful. There was an image that we were looking at online, and there was something in the image, and I called up and I spoke to Clay, asked him a question, and he got back to me right away, and then we purchased it. So this is fantastic. Inside, we have some goodies in here. How sweet. They know the way to my heart, man. Are you kidding me? Snickers. This is my second favorite candy bar. Butterfingers #1. What's your favorite candy bar? That's amazing. A Band-Aid. I had a Band-Aid on my hand earlier yesterday. I got a splinter, so thank you very much. Much needed. And then the eKnives sticker. We really like stickers in our household. We have the paper. Love this. Thank you. We hope you love your new Medford. Have a knife day. Gray. Love it. A personal message, I think, really means something, makes me want to buy something from them again because they actually take the time. Very cool. Here is the box. You have your flag, the Medford symbol. Very nice. Cardboard. It's not a Pelican case, but that's okay. Inside, we have, ooh, that's heavy. That is heavy. Little knife pouch. It says MKT on it, Medford knife. And on the side, it says, warranted forever in new or used original condition on the dog tag. Let's see if I can hold it without dropping this knife because, man, it's a heavy beast. Inside the box itself, there is a white Medford sticker, Medford knife. I don't know if you can see it. I can see it better from the back, but there's a little knife right here, and then you have the Medford logo. I think the whole thing is part of the logo, but that's pretty cool. And then you have a Medford knife and tool booklet, warranty information, a patch, very cool. And then inside is the certificate of creation and authenticity. This certifies that the item was created by Medford Knife and Tool, September 24th of 2024. And Greg has signed it, lifetime warranty. On the back are the details. The model, it is a Marauder H model. It's S45VN steel. It has a DLC Tonto blade that you'll see, and the handle has this the DLC lightning style to it, and it is in black. I love it. And on eKnives, it has a serial number on it, and it has the model number, which is very cool. Gosh, this is heavy. Did it say how heavy it was when you purchased it? Did you know how heavy it was going to be? Yes. Yes, indeed. I think my hand's in the way a little bit, but that right there. Look at that. This is the lightning design that you have on the handle. It's not a flipper. Did I miss out on that? Oh my God. It's a tip-up carry. You can see that it says MKT for Medford Knife and Tool. The overall length, I'm gonna cry. The overall length is 9.25 inches. Has a fuller here. The blade itself is 4.25 inches. I believe it says 3.75. Maybe that's the actual cutting edge here. You have a 5-inch handle, titanium, sculpted. Has a frame lock. It's really pretty. You can see the Medford logo on the blade. And then on the other side, it says 406-233 right here. Is that a serial number or?
It's build information.
Build information? Interesting. Here's your Tanto blade based on the size right here. You can see the black and then the edge is silver. Very cool. That's beefy. Here's the frame lock right here. I'm gonna use it, my fingers. Husband does this all the time and I never know what he's doing. It's like closing it very, oh, there it is. Maybe it's centered, maybe it's not. You check it out. What do you think? Do you think it's centered? Can you tell? Doth my eyes deceive me? I think it's pretty good. It's so heavy. But I love that. That's one thing I liked about the USMC. This is heavier just by holding it. This one's heavier, but also I feel like you could just punch somebody in the face with it. This is not going to be a knife that I will carry because I can't open it without going like this. That's my issue. Is that going to be hubby's issue? Absolutely not. This is beautiful. One thing about the Marauders is that a lot of them have these little cutouts that are rectangles that I dislike hard. That's why it took a while to get a Marauder, was because somebody was like, nah, I don't think so. Let's compare it. Here are these two Medfords. USMC is bigger, it's taller, it's wider, it's fat, it's a fatty. This is such a beast of a knife, it's beautiful. And let's see what else we have here. Praetorian. This knife is so freaking gorgeous, y'all. Look at that color. Much more meaty as well. I do believe that the Marauder is thicker. But she's so pretty. She's so pretty. Let's compare. Tanto-y? Little Tanto dance. The Marauder has a longer blade. But the colors here are just beautiful. Almost jewel tones. Very pretty. And then our last Medford is Roxy the Proxy. It's a Proxima. I like to name things and say what they look like. This is such a gnarly edge right here in comparison. She's a little more dainty in comparison. This is also where those rectangular cutouts would be. What do you think? Which one's your fave? Are you a Medford fan? I would say out of all the Medfords, this is really pretty. I do think that the Praetorian is probably a little bit up there just because of the colors are a little bit more pastel-y. It's gnarly. I don't know. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you want to know the price, hit me up in the comments. I don't want prices to have changed. So there's that. What questions didn't I answer that you want to know? Thanks for watching. Cheers. Get some.